Hey guys, it's Tessa. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a nose chain for your nostril piercings. You can also use this chain for bridge piercings and nose piercings connecting to your earrings. So if you want to know how I did it, then keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do to make the chain for your nose piercings is you want to take your tape measure and you want to measure the distance between each of your nose piercings. So I'm going to use a flexible tape measure to measure the distance between each of the holes of your piercings. So looking at the measurement, mine is 3 centimeters. So now we know the length of what the chain needs to be to reach each of the piercings. We're going to now cut that length from your desired thickness of chain. Now I'm just using some leftover chain that I had from some necklaces that I don't wear anymore, and I'm going to use the thinner chain to give it more of like a dainty look. The thicker the chain is, the more hardcore it will be. So I'm going to show you properly with the angle of the camera so you can get the idea of what I'm going to do. Whoa, almost spilled my cup of tea all over my phone. Okay, so 3 centimeters. I'm going to measure from the end of the chain. So I need to cut the chain about here. So taking the jewelry pliers, I'm just going to cut. Just going to give it one final check to see that we have the right length. Taking 2 connective rings, I'm just going to put them on the end of the chain. If you guys are wondering where I purchased all these jewelry making tools, you can get them all off eBay. So now I'm just popping each of the connective rings to each end of the chain and then secure in place and just tighten like so. And there we go, it's as simple as that. Okay guys, so I'm now going to show you how to put on the nose chain for your piercings. So all you have to do is just unscrew each of the tops on your labret bars. And there we go. And there we go guys, a really quick and easy way to funk up your nose with just a simple little bit of leftover necklace and some rings. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and interesting. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you lovies very soon. Bye guys.